In today's video, I'm going to teach you backup export Zoho Mail. If you want to create a backup of your emails in Zoho Mail, this process is straightforward and useful for saving important messages outside your inbox. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to export your emails as EML files so you can download and store them for future reference. Start by signing in to your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside your mailbox, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the settings dialog box where you can manage different parts of your Zoho Mail account. At the top left of that settings window, there is a drop-down selector. Make sure mail is selected. In some cases, it may open to mail automatically, but if it doesn't, just switch to it manually so you're working in the correct section. Next, look over to the left pane of the settings menu and scroll down until you find import export emails. Click that option to open the email import and export tools. From here, choose export as EML. This format is helpful because it saves your emails as individual message files that can be opened or archived later. Now you'll need to choose exactly what you want to export. Use the first drop-down menu to select the mail folder or folders you want to back up. After that, use the next drop-down to set the date range for the export. This is useful if you only need messages from a certain time period rather than your entire mailbox. You may also see options to include subfolders or to export archived emails only, depending on what you need. Take a moment here to review your selections so your backup includes the right content. When everything is set, click Export as EML. After you do that, you should see a notification near the top center of the screen letting you know that the export is in progress. That confirms Zoho has started preparing your backup. Once the export is ready, Zoho will email the download details to your inbox. Open that email and inside, you should find a hyperlink to the zip download link. Click that link to download your exported email backup to your device. One important thing to remember is that the download link is only valid for 1 month. So if you're planning to keep the backup, make sure you download it before the link expires. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Zoho Mail messages and created a backup copy for safekeeping.